So you have two choices to buy a watch, and one is OnePlus and another is MI. So which watch you will buy? Obviously you will buy a company which is more branded, more valuable and more durable. Main point is that. So as similar as you, I also bought this OnePlus. I think you can't see this logo. As similar as you, I also bought OnePlus band, fitness band. So at beginning I was not willing to make this video, to record this video, but I am so mad at this company. Like, this company just waste my money, and I am very disappointed on OnePlus company. So at beginning when I bought this, I just wore it around 2 months. For company's goodness, I'm telling you, I wore 2 months. Otherwise I hardly wore 1 month from the day I purchased it. So at beginning I wore it, but gradually I didn't have any time to wear this fitness band and to record my fitness, and luckily I got few time to give focus on my fitness. So after 4 months, this OnePlus fitness band heart heart rate this heart rate sensor stopped working. It worked when I checked my heart rate. It worked for 2 minutes or 1 minute. Otherwise it stopped working. For example, I am telling you, like, if I am checking my heartbeat, then it's working. But if I am running, then it stop recording my heartbeat. So I was so annoying from this fitness band. It was not doing his work, its work. So at that time I had warranty or guarantee, whatever company claim, but at that time I do not have time to put my focus running on this thing, and I didn't gone to OnePlus service center to check this product. But anyway, I thought that, okay, if this product heart sensor stopped working, then I will use it as an accessory. Then I wore it sometimes, but from that day my interest stopped on this thing, and rarely I wore this. From that day hardly I wore 15 to 20 times. But it was sitting alone in our home, and trust me, it was sitting at a good place. So yesterday so after a long time I thought that why I would waste my money to make this thing sit on a place. So I will wear this and I will roam wherever. It doesn't matter it looks good on me or not, but anyway, I took this thing, and when I put this thing on my hand, on my wrist, at that time only, at that moment only, this thing happened like this. I am showing you as a proof. See what is happening. See, okay, this is not happening on this side, but this is happening on this side. Why not happening right now? Okay, yes, did you see this? this is OnePlus company fitness band, and hardly I wore this fitness band, and it started from this thing, this attach like this attach like this. You think that OnePlus company is a good brand company and you will buy OnePlus watch. I do not have any comments for OnePlus company, because I think OnePlus thinks that our money is a stolen money. This stopped working after 4 months, heartbeat sensor, and I thought that I would wear it, because after this sensor stopped working, this watch is valueless. This thing only works, this thing only people wear to record their body, but if this thing not recording your body, then what is the use of this watch? So yes, it was working when I started, like I'm till now I'm telling you what is the exact thing right now also happening. Yes, this light flashing, and I will put on my wrist and I will check my heartbeat right now. But yes, it will record my heartbeat and it will show my heartbeat. But if I will run for long run or short run and I will check my heartbeat, then after 1 minute or 2 minutes it stop working. Like, it doesn't record continuously, it only records for 1 or 2 minutes. Okay, I am agree that every electronic things do not have guarantee or warranty. Sometimes they unexpectedly they just they just got damaged. But I was thinking that I will wear this watch for accessory, and what happened if this watch is not working but it is glowing? People would think that I am wearing some kind of watch, but now it is not usable as an accessory because strap is so. I do not have good words for OnePlus company. Maybe OnePlus charger, OnePlus phone are good, but OnePlus watch is so. Your decision, your money. I rarely wore this OnePlus fitness brand fitness watch. I rarely wore this OnePlus fitness watch, and this got damaged so soon, and again I have to buy additional strap for this thing, and I have to spend 300-400 or 500, whatever. Your money, you wish, your wish. No one can stop you. But OnePlus, do I have to say something? No.